think you're going to?
I'm going to school.
You're going to where?
School.
You're going to school. Are you done with the pile of clothes that I brought out for you to wash? What happened to them?
I can't do that now. When I...
Who the hell are you to tell me what you can do and what you cannot do? Are you sick of the head? Now take yourself inside and wash those clothes.
Honey, please take it easy on her. She's late from going to school. I'm sure she can do this thing when she returns.
Yes, when I...
When she returns, honey. Honey, you know what? Take your mouth off this. Do not interfere. That girl is going to be somebody's wife tomorrow. Now go in there and wash those things.
Please, if I get to school late, they'll punish me.
Then you wake up by 3 a.m. Do you understand me? Because you have to do your house chores before going to school. Now move. Move it. Move it. Will I move before I move you like a rag against a football? Are you crazy?
It's alright, Angela. She's not a stranger, she's my wife, my beautiful wife, Sheila. Go on. Say your greetings to her.
You're welcome, Ma.
No, it's okay, baby. I mean, it's okay for her to take her time. For someone that just lost her mother, it's going to take some time for her to really adjust to welcoming people. So it's fine if she's not okay with my visit.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you. I can understand what you've been through for this short period of time. But I want to assure you something. That over there in the city, I will make sure you have the best life. I'll make sure you don't really miss your mother that much. I mean, look around you. There's nothing here for you. Seriously. You can't continue like this.
Yeah, Angela. My wife is saying the right thing. She's right. We know how much your mom loves you and how close both of you are before she died. I'm promising you that we will end at nothing but to make sure that we take care of you and you are not lonely. Okay?
Thank you, but I don't think anyone could replace my mother.
No. Nobody's replacing your mother. No, of course it's not possible. Nobody can ever replace your mother. Your mother will always have your heart. What we're trying to say, what I am trying to say, is that I just want to take you out of here. So you stop crying all the time and being lonely. Give you a better life. That's just what I'm saying. Please.
Thanks for your kind words.
You're welcome. Are you okay?
What is that? Angela?
Are you okay?
Hold on, is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Why do you have with you such small amount of clothes?
Well, there's no need me taking a lot of clothes when I know I'll be back in a few days.
I guess you misunderstood what I said.
Exactly.
We are not going on a short trip. Okay? You're going with us to Lagos and you're not coming back here anytime soon. there will be no reason for you to return back to this village.
Into the city.
Yes, to the city, honey. Where you're gonna have a good and a better life just like every other kids out there. Okay, you know what? I could just help.
Oh, it's fine. Go in there and get the rest of your stuff, so you're moving with us to...
What a mess. This is what I will have to deal with. It's so exhausting playing nice and new, mommy. God. I don't think I can deal with this village little fool for long. I just can't.
When you can get to the car.
Yeah.
Angela, hurry up.
Angela, I'm sure you know how to cook, right?
Yes, ma. I can cook very well.
Wonderful. You know, we had a very long journey. Maybe you should make something very nice for us since we had a very long trip. What do you think, baby?
I know we can't wait to have a taste of what she prepares.
Of course.
But you need to consider the fact that we're just coming back from a long travel, so she needs to rest. Okay? So just go into the kitchen and make something for us to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, you're right, baby. So I will go inside, take my bait, freshen up, and chill on the bed, waiting for you. I'll give myself time to rest too. I mean, I'll be chilling on top of the bed, waiting for you to come. What really is the plan?
Angela. What can I do to help you? I'm in great pain too. Just lost my only sibling. And cheering her daughter up seems to be the only thing that I can do to make the dead feel at rest.
Do you think she's going to rest? I mean, after all the pain she felt while she was still alive, do you think all the pains will go?
Yes, I know she's no longer in pain. She moves around freely and she's watching over us. I know you cannot see her, but if you look deep into yourself, I'm sure you can feel her.
No, sometimes I just wished I left this world with her. I followed her. But she won't like it.
Come on, don't say that. The thought of that will even make her feel more restless wherever she is. Listen to me, Angela. The bitterness, the emptiness you feel will not last forever. I need you to know that I'm here for you, and I will end at nothing but to make sure that your dreams come true.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, let's go downstairs so you can eat something. Remember, we do not want your mother to be restless wherever she is. So you need to eat something. Okay? Let's go.
Get up, get up, get up!
Just the tap would have just woken me.
You're lucky I did not just wake you up with a very hot slap. Or better still with a drum of slaps. You're sick in the head. You must be thinking you're some princess in some Buckingham Palace, don't you? Get your tacky-wacky ass up. Look at you. Acting all fragile, so soft. But when given an opportunity, you'll fly as high as a bird. Get down!
I don't understand what you're saying.
Of course you will not understand because I know you're just faking this. And that's why I had to come wake you up in my own way. Now get up!
What do you want me to do for you?
What do I want you to do for me? The question is what we need to do. You're supposed to be doing the house chores. Yes, you wash the clothes, you do the dishes, you cook, you sweep. Don't you know how to sweep? Or better still, you go and join your dead mother in the grave so I stop seeing your tacky face. Get up! Didn't you hear me? Didn't you hear me? Get down. Move it! Move it! Let's come back here! I said you should. I don't break. Just break it.
I'm glad you're here to join me. Dear God, keep her face dried from tears. Let her be able to accept this house as her home.
Uncle, you don't have to worry. Like you said, I should take my time, that I will be fine. With time, Uncle, I'll accept this place as my home.
How is that even possible? I almost believe that you had my mind. That was exactly my thoughts.
Yes, Uncle, I know. I heard your mind. I can read thoughts.
Listen, you must be extremely funny. You almost had me there. Listen, that was nicely played.
Uncle, but I'm not joking.
You're not joking. You know the funny thing about when you're joking is that you still keep and maintain that mean face. And it looks good on you. You're definitely going to be a very nice actress and well spoken as well. Well, I can see that your sense of humor is intact now. and you're getting comfortable around the house, so that's a good thing. I really do like that fact. Well, feel comfortable, and if you need anything, do not hesitate to let me know.
Okay, sir.
Just look at the way she's eating. I cannot believe she's adjusting quite well. Am I making her comfortable? Or maybe I am too easy on her. It's time to gradually show her that she is in hell.
I was eating that.
And so what?
Do you want to have it?
No, the question should be, aren't you tired of being hungry? Do you even deserve to eat this food? Because you are one lanky, wacky, lazy ass. You don't deserve to eat this food.
How? I don't understand. Is there anything you want me to do that I haven't done?
Yes! All out! The whole clothes and the wardrobe, even the ones in the box. Your uncle's clothes and my clothes. You've not washed them.
Okay. What about the cleaning lady? If I do all those things, is she going...
Is that supposed to be a question for me? Have you lost it? Huh? No, is that question supposed to be for me? I can see I've given you enough freedom in this house. You don't have enough leverage to talk back at me. Listen, I will start with reducing the amount of food that I give you. That way you receive sense. You know what they say? Too much food makes kids lack what they call initiatives. Cankerworm, swine. And here drinking hot water like your mother in the grave gave you this. Cankerworm, swine, bastard.
She knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child.
How is it again?
It was okay. Honey, why is Angela doing the washing? Where is the domestic staff assigned for that duty?
Well, I fired them.
Why? We hired that domestic staff in the first place because we know how bulky this task is. So how come you are now allowing only Angela to do the washing?
I don't understand. I mean, of what use is Angela in the house? We have someone who stays in the house 24/7. And you expect me to keep other staff so I could be paying them. What is she doing? I don't understand. Of what use are her hands?
Honey, are you saying that we're not stressing her? I mean, look at the clothes that she's washing.
Stressing who, for goodness sake? Why are you treating this girl like some princess in some Buckingham Palace? Are you joking right now?
What I'm saying is that she should at least use the washing machine. It's not using her hands to wash.
For what? For what? Why should she use the washing machine? Why? I don't understand it. You just came back and the first thing you want to tell me is princess. What is it? What is it about this princess? You know, I'm beginning to think that I'm suddenly married to a pedophile. Is she supposed to be your child? Or am I suddenly married to a pedophile?
What I'm saying is that she could just use a machine.
For what? I mean, in what sense? Maybe this girl is used to suffering. Back in the village, I'm sure when she was with her poverty-stricken mother, she splits the wood. She goes to the farm. She does all sort of risky, jobs. This one are just menial, are just normal jobs for her. Why are you complaining? You just come back and here you are complaining. Damn! Why does it have to be all about this girl all the time? Why? And you, I'm sure you're happy. You're fucking happy. Nonsense.
please take Angela to school? I have a meeting I need to attend to now, and I'm already running late. Okay?
Why do I have to do that? I mean, she's used to poverty. She's used to trekking. Don't you trek in the village? You should learn how to trek in the city. That's what your mates do. I mean, why do I have to take her myself? She ain't some kid or even my kid.
Honey, that wouldn't be a problem if she knows her way to school.
Okay?
What's the need of she walking to school when we actually have a car that can convey her to school?
Then you take her to school yourself. Why do you have to tell me to take her to school?
Please do this for me. Okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll see you when I'm back. Take care.
Okay.
Alright.
Listen, attentive. I do not like dull art or dull brains around me. As we make this journey, I want you to to mark every single step, every turn, every road that we take. You know why? That will be your only way to come back to this house.
But I can't master the road once. Not even to read my books, so.
Oh, really? You can't? But you know how to master your way to your grandma's grave, don't you? And you listen to me. I don't have time for this rubbish. You better mark the route, the U-turns, or you can as well jump into the lagoon or something. Go and be chilling in the oceans. Well, don't move your back yourself away. Wait. What happened?
Honey, how come Angela is not back from school yet? Did you not go to pick her up?
I don't understand. Why do I need to go and pick her up? Is she some kid or what? I mean, why can't she trek all the way from the school to the house?
Honey, she's new in this town, and that was why I asked you to take her to school and also bring her back when school is dismissed.
Like someone who is also in a kindergarten class, right? And that's why you have to scream at me because of some Angela bullshit. Are you kidding me right now? Baby, calm down, relax. She's gonna be back soon.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Sarah, Angela's school teacher. I saw her wandering around school roads, so I confronted her to know what's her problem. And she confessed not knowing her way home, so I brought her home.
Angela, why did you assure your auntie that you will find your way back home?
Uncle, I told her that one ride won't be enough for me to know the destination back home. But she insists that I'm smart.
No, madam. That's not how to train a child.
Ah, shush it!
If not, I was paying attention.
Are you mad? Have you lost it? Now, who is this basic idiot? Eh? Who is this underrated element? Who are you? How do you breathe from your anus or from your nostrils? So just because you managed to bring back my child, you think you've got the guts to tutor me on parenting? Are you not? Are you sick? Now turn your front where you turned your back. Take yourself out of my compound right now before I lose it on you.
Angela, do take care of yourself, okay?
Go inside. Get out! Leave this place. Are you alright? Madam, leave this place before I pull your wig. Are you mad?
It's okay, madam.
Are you crazy? Can you imagine? Because you fixed some darling Yankee. And you're just here, somebody is talking to me just like that. Are you okay? Because are you? What's nonsense?
Honey, what's the meaning of this?
What's giving her the leverage, the panache, the guts?
Honey, why will you let her come back from school all by herself? How is a 5 minutes ride to that school a big deal?
And how is a 45 minutes walk from that school to the house a big deal? How is it a big deal? I don't get it.
Anybody can get lost in the city they're new in.
Sir, because anybody can get lost in the city that they're new in, that's why you had to yell at me because of this thing, Angela. Forgetting that you will still crawl back to me in the night on the bed.
Honey, why are you not seeing it in that perception that she's just a little girl who is new in this city?
This one, a little
Even
girl.
an adult.
This one that can swallow this whole house. This one that can handle 20 of you is a little... And you.
Oh, honey, can you just stop?
You
It's
are
not
happy,
here.
right?
Don't do this here.
Oh, I should not do this here. But you were here. When that fucking catalog, that nitwit, that idiot that calls herself, that illiterate teacher that calls herself a teacher, wearing some yellow and black like someone who's been deported from Brazil, was talking to me anyhow. You did nothing about it. Now we cannot do that here because of this fucking thing.
Stop.
Get your hands off me.
Stop that.
Get your hands off me.
Stop.
No, listen to me, babe. If you want to treat this girl like some princess, it is your choice. But please, do not involve me in your nonsense, in your shenanigans. Do I make myself clear? Take her to school yourself. Bring her back yourself. Don't involve me. What nonsense? What? That teacher should tell her that she should stay away from me. Because if I go to that school tomorrow and meet her, I will pull off her damn lashes. What the hell does she think she used to tell me about parenting? Stupid teacher.
Angela, sorry. Are you fine? Sorry. You see, what my wife expected from you is unfair. We all know that you're new in this city and it will only take you a little time for you to adjust just fine.
Uncle, I'm very sorry. It's actually my fault. I would have paid attention earlier today when she was driving me to school.
It's not your fault and it's fine. So tell me, do you like your new school?
Yes. Yes, I do. Thanks for registering me there. I'm loving it there.
I'm happy that you love the school.
Even your deepest thoughts, she hates all. So no secret, she has it all. So no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, she can hear your thoughts.
I wish she got lost today. I would not have worried about getting rid of her. That stupid nosy teacher had to interfere. Now I am still stuck with her. And I wonder how long I have to pretend to be okay with living with that parasite.
So when you asked me to find my way home, you did that very quickly, right? You know it was important for me to find my way home, just for me to get lost. Why are you doing this? Well, I don't need to read your face to know your thoughts. Just so you know, I can read your mind.
So you're trying to tell me that my thoughts are no longer my privacy? You can read my thoughts. I hate you. I hate you so much that I want you far away, gone.
Well, my uncle doesn't want me gone, so I see no interest in me leaving this house.
You will go, honey. No, you will go. You know why? By the time I unleash the hell in me, you would so run that you wouldn't even look back to see what is chasing you. You will run.
Angela.
Good day, Uncle.
Why are you back so late? Why didn't you join the school bus? I asked my wife to pay for the service.
I didn't pay for it. I was able to find my way home after I walked home with Miss Sarah yesterday.
I see. When it is too stressful, please use the school bus.
No, Uncle. I don't think it's stressful because I'm getting used to this place. I'm trying to get used to this place, Uncle. I'm loving the experience, though.
Ooh. Uh-huh. You see what I was telling you? Now she is getting used to the experience. I told you it wouldn't be hard for her to get used to trekking around the city. You know why? Because she is used to the poverty-stricken life. All thanks to who? All thanks to me. I did not pay for the bus service so you can get frustrated with walking down home and telling me that you're enjoying the experience.
Yes, all thanks to Auntie Sheila. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get used to this place.
Thank you, baby.
Angela, I'm glad that you're back and you're safe. When you change your mind about walking to school, please do not hesitate to let me know. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Alright, you can go inside and have something to eat.
Hey, babe.
I'm glad to have you here. Come on, guy, tell me that I've already transferred you to this station.
Guess what? They haven't. You still have to do the long distance relationship.
Don't say that.
I'm sorry.
So, what brings you here, my very good friend?
I was working with a client that needs my presence in town, so I had to fly down.
I'm glad to have you here.
Nice to see you.
Jerry, my nigga! Well, look at you, you're doing so well for yourself.
Thank you. How about you? What's going on with you? How's life and everything?
Man, it hasn't been easy for me losing my sister and all that and having to take care of Angela. So, but I thank God for my beautiful wife. If not for her, she was just there right at the point of time for me, and I appreciate her so much. I'm a little bit worried.
Why? What's going on? Talk to me. What's going on?
It's about Angela. You know, I've tried my best to bring her closer to me so she can be open. I mean, she can be free to communicate with me, tell me anything. But it seems like it's not working.
She'll come around. I just feel she give her time. She just lost somebody. I just feel she needs time. She'll come around.
She's not the only one in pain. Well, we're both in the same pain. But it's fine. I heard what you said. I hope she comes around.
Definitely she will, definitely.
Man, so good to see you. I'm so happy to see you, man. That reminds me, man. There's this new restaurant in town and it has a bar. So I will take you there so we can have fun. But before that, I will need to call my wife to inform her that I won't be coming back home on time today. So good to see you, nigga. Jerry.
Okay, baby. See you, son. Bye. I have so many plans and I have to succeed with them. But I keep having a bad feeling that the presence of this girl will mess up everything for me. No, Sheila. No way. I have come too far and worked too hard to watch a village idiot like that girl that calls herself Angela with some stupid superpowers to step on it. I won't take it.
And what plans are they? Because I don't see anything good coming from you.
I see. You know, it's the gods for me. So my plans is no longer to be kept to myself. You now know my plans. You now know my thoughts. They're no longer safe with me because you can hear them. And it's also the fact that you're putting it up for discussion, forgetting the fact that it is my thought, my privacy.
If you're planning anything bad, I will stop you. I will protect my uncle even if it kills me.
Oh, really?
And I'll reveal your thoughts to him.
Maybe I should cut off your tongue. That way you can't be able to say what you hear. Tiny midget. You know, when I see how tiny you are, I remember how those tiny South African mosquitoes used to blow. You're playing with fire. And if you're not careful, you're going to get burnt. Leave my sight! Looking like some Mozambique toothpick. Animal. Hey! Whoosh! Come back here! Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to
You're going to where?
school.
You're going to school. Are you done with the pile of clothes that I brought out for you to wash? What happened to them?
I can't do that now. When I
Who the hell are you to tell me what you can do and what you cannot do? Are you sick of the head? Now take yourself inside and wash those clothes.
Honey, please take it easy on her. She's late from going to school. I'm sure she can do this thing when she returns.
Yes,
When she returns, honey. Honey, you know what? Take your mouth off this. Do not interfere. That girl is going to be somebody's wife tomorrow. Now go in there and wash those things.
Please, if I get to school late, they'll punish me.
Then you wake up by 3 a.m. Do you understand me? Because you have to do your house chores before going to school. Now move. Move it. Move it. Will I move before I move you like a rag against a football? Are you crazy?
Auntie, you don't have to worry. I can find my way back home from here.
Are you sure? I don't mind walking you home, as long as you get home safely.
I know, Auntie. I'll be fine. And also, I want to thank you for the other day. Besides my uncle, you're the next person that cares for me after my mom died.
Oh my God, you have lost your mother.
Yes.
I am so sorry about that. How are you coping with the loss?
Well, I'm trying. That's what my mom would want, for me to be happy.
Look, you just have to be strong for your mother and study hard so you can make mommy proud wherever she is, okay? Oh, such a good kid. I feel so sad that she had to go through so much. I feel like hugging her to take away her pains. Oh.
Auntie, I think I really need a hug.
Are you serious? I was just thinking about it. Come here. Oh my God. Take care of yourself, okay? Okay, go. Let me watch you.
Bye.
Don't miss your way.
Okay.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
Okay, baby, this is Joelle. We used to live together in my former neighborhood. So I've been having some issues with her driving all this while, navigating due to my back pain. So I decided to get a driver for myself, a personal driver. And I know him too well. He lived in my former neighborhood, trust me.
Well, if you say you know Joel the way you said you know him, then I don't think I have a problem with that.
Thank you very much for trusting me with your wife. I promise I will do my work carefully and diligently, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, baby.
Joel, I will need you to drive my wife safely at all times. I love her so much and she's my jewel, so I don't joke with her.
I know, sir.
The witch is trying to read his mind. I just hope Joel's mind is only talking about how beautiful this house is. I need to send her away before she figures everything. Oh my goodness, God, you know, baby, I've been...
Honey, baby, do you feel well?
Baby, I've been feeling dizzy since morning and I've not been getting myself. You know, I was actually thinking... okay, I have some money. Please, I need you to get me blood tonic across the street at the pharmacy. I think it's shortage of blood. Wait. That's way. Just what? Please do have a seat. I'll get something for Mr. Joel.
Why is she so nice to me? Feeding me? Wait. Or has she realized that it's useless to wicked me? This can be.
How else can I keep her away from my heart and mind? Whenever she's awake and within sight, she is able to hear my thoughts and all my plans. They are all in my thoughts. I just need to feed her this food. Once she eats it, she will be unconscious for days. Then I can have the privacy for my thoughts all to myself, at least for those days.
Something seems to be bothering you.
Yes, miss. Have you ever been in a situation where someone is in danger? You don't even know how you can help.
Yes, I have. Countless times.
How do you handle such situation?
Well, I waited for the perfect time and opportunity to present itself. Then I was able to help the situation. What is it? Why all these questions? What is bothering you?
My uncle is married to a bad woman and she's cheating on him. But I'm scared to tell my uncle because he might be having a doubt of trusting me.
Well, I understand how you feel. But in this case, you have to be very sure of whatever thing you said you know about your uncle's wife before approaching your uncle. Because if you are wrong and it proves so, you will lose the trust of your uncle totally.
That's why I'm slow in speaking up. I know she's planning something bad and she's up to no good.
Look, your hunches and premonition is not enough. You will be needing a strong evidence. What did I say?
Strong evidence.
Strong evidence. Good. To back up your claims against her. If not, she could deny you and put you into trouble. Okay?
Okay.
I hope you know what I mean by strong evidence.
Yes, well.
You need a picture or a video of them together to show your uncle what is going on in the house. If not, both of them, they will deny you.
Okay.
I just want you to be strong, okay? You just have to be strong. You have to be strong, yeah?
She can read your mind and hear what you say, even your tiniest whisper.
Uncle,
Yes, Angela.
I'm very sorry. I know you're disappointed at me, but it's very difficult to prove my innocence to you.
Can you stop denying it?
I'll look for anything for you to forgive me. I'll prove to you my innocence.
You were caught red-handed, Angela. You know, I'm not mad at you. I'm not pissed at you because you were bedwetting. But for the fact that you continue to lie and claims of innocence.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. I did not. And I want you to stop getting upset at me or disappointed.
I need to get Marcus out of the house for a few days. He used to go on a trip, but since the small witch showed up, he keeps sending his subordinates like a nursing mother. I need him to get out of this house for at least 3 days. That is the only surest and best way to...
Auntie Sheila, the food you prepared was so delicious. Can I have more when we go inside?
Oh, really? Yes, I'll give you more. But on one condition. That you do not bathe wet anymore. Not some hippopotamus or some elephant who's been overfed with water. Do I make myself clear?
Hear what she said. You can then go inside.
I need to get Marcus out of the house for a few days. He used to go on a trip, but since the small witch showed up, he keeps sending his subordinates like a nursing mother. I need him to get out of this house for at least 3 days. That is the only surest and best way.
Money, sorry.
What did you just do? Don't keep my wife for me.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, honey. Sorry. Can you walk?
No.
You can't walk.
Even your deepest thoughts, she hates all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Listen, you need to stop telling me that you are sorry. Because this is something you do intentionally. I don't know why you would want to hurt my wife. Why would you want to hurt my wife?
Uncle, I did it for you. There was something in that drink that could have harmed you.
Oh, can you listen to yourself? What makes you think that my wife would want to hurt me? I want to ask you one single question. How did you know about this? Did you see her trying to put something in my drink?
No, I didn't, but I heard...
Listen, enough of these lies and manipulations. I'm not in the good mood to listen to that. Sheila has done nothing but is trying her best to get close to you, get to know you. But you're not making it easy for her. This is provocation. And I know one when I say it. And this is exactly what you're trying to do. I don't like it.
Uncle, please, you have to believe me. I will not do anything to make you to hate me or get angry.
Angela, we're gradually getting there, and you know it. You almost tried to hurt my wife.
I'm sorry, Uncle.
See, I'm too angry to look into your face right now. Just leave me alone. Go inside, I don't want to see you.
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she has it all. She can hear your thoughts and know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she has it all. So no secret, no secret. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
Mama, who is that guy I saw with your wife?
A tall, fair guy?
Yeah, he looks very masculine.
Oh, that's Jewel. That's my wife's driver.
You trust him?
No. How do you expect me to trust him? Why would I trust him? I don't know him. My wife says that Jewel is our friend back then in school days. She's just trying to help the guy by making him her driver. So I don't know much about him. What about the guy? What's up? Everything okay?
It's fine. Since you said you can trust him, then it's fine. Mama, you look stressed. What's going on?
My guy, to be honest with you, Jelly, Angela is getting on my nerves. I'm telling you. In fact, Angela is beginning to come out from her shell. Listen, just the other day she almost hurt my wife, Sheila, saying that she's trying to protect me. That Sheila wants to hurt me. Can you imagine that?
Did you see her put something in your food?
No, I didn't. But the problem is that she did not have any justification to that accusation.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. Do you think she's going through stress or she needs some psychological help?
Jerry, I don't know, and I don't even care. As a matter of fact, there's a little I can take from that girl. She's getting on my nerves too much, and I just don't want to regret the fact that my sister pleaded with me to take care of her in her sick bed. I just don't want to break that promise, and that's why I'm taking all this shit from that little girl. To be honest with you, I'm fed up with her.
That's fine, my mom. That's fine.
I know you're happy after making me look bad in front of my uncle.
And you must be a very stupid, tiny brat to come in between husband and wife. Don't you think so?
I know you're cheating on my uncle with this person here.
Be careful, little girl, okay? I heard you lost your mom not too long ago. And saying things like this can cause you to meet her. Don't you think so?
Wow, he's now threatening me. See, I must have struck a chord, Auntie Sheila. My brother doesn't deserve someone like you. And I'll make sure I expose your evil deals.
I'm shivering. You know what, honey? First of all, when you get to my age, then you'll be able to understand what it takes to get a man like this. Secondly, do as much as an inch of exposing me, and I'll be sending you somewhere to be using me for some acid soap that should be experimented in the lab for some fibers. Take yourself out of my sight.
She's quite the talker.
Make sure you say goodbye to your friends. It seems today is going to be your last day of going to school. Your uncle concluded that you were suited to learn trade, not school.
No, Uncle can't do that to me. He knows how much I love school. I don't want to leave school. Uncle can't do that to me. He can't. He can't change my school.
Angela, what is it that I cannot do to you? What are you talking about exactly?
Uncle, please, I don't want to change my school. I don't want to stop going to school. I love my school. I have no interest in trade.
Wait a minute. How come you know about this? Because from the last time I checked, this is the discussion I had with my wife in the privacy of our room. How come you know about it? Honey? Do you think the prophet is right?
You know, I hate this question you are asking so bad that I feel like wanking off your face, if not for the fact that you wait all the way to my place to pay my dowry. I don't understand. You are seeing a very glaring answer to your question, and here you are still asking that kind of dumb question. This girl is possessed. She's a witch.
Oh Lord, I can't believe this. So what are we going to do now? Can your prophet be of help?
Of course. Because if you expect me to deal with others, I won't. This is like dealing with 24,000 demons.
So why don't you just go ahead and call him? Give him a call.
Yes, I'll call him.
Angela, please sit down. Your uncle would like to ask you some questions, and I would like you to be honest with the answers.
Okay, Uncle. Ask me anything. I'll answer honestly.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. Tell me, when you sleep at night, do you see people or things?
No.
No?
Yes, Uncle.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. When you sleep at night, do you by any chance move between the walls?
No, Uncle.
Do you also listen to voices of people talking even when you're not there?
I only hear voices of the mind. I read people's thoughts. That's how I came to know of you stopping me from going to school.
You're not making any sense. What are you talking about?
Auntie thought about your decision, and I heard it. It's a gift I have had.
What is she saying? Could this be mental illness or psychological problem, not spiritual?
Uncle, it's not mental illness. I discovered me hearing people's minds when I was 3. At first, I thought it was random noise until I mastered the act of focus.
Wait. You heard in my mind talking about mental illness. Listen, I don't know what's this thing with you, but I wanted to know that you are abnormal. Listen, I am going to find a solution to your problem. You're not normal.
Uncle, you don't believe me. You believe a prophet that is accusing me of being a witch.
And how do you expect me to believe that you're reading people's mind and thoughts? I can't even believe that you're trying to confuse your own uncle. Listen, just leave my side. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you. Just leave.
She can read your mind and hear what you say. Even your tiniest whisper, she hears it all. She can hear your thoughts and know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she hears it all. So no
What's the meaning of this? Huh? What was this supposed to mean in the first place? I asked her what the problem is. Instead of her to tell me exactly what the problem is, she's rather making me get more confused. Saying that she could hear people's minds and thoughts. Isn't this crazy? Maybe she hearing voices could cause her harm. I think I should consider what my wife Sheila said and get a professional to look into this because I'm not getting it anymore.
You seem to be in a good mood.
Yes, honey.
Things must really be good.
You can say that again. Let's just say that things are moving according to the way I planned it. So I am happy.
What is going on?
I want to change my husband's heart. I mean, his mind towards that evil girl that calls herself Angela. That man who always wanted to treat her like a princess is now considering the facts. I mean, it's now changing his mind. He's planning to take her to a mental home. a psychiatric hospital.
Genius. Did you suggest that to him?
Not at all, honey. I did not. Like I just said, the young girl shot herself at the leg. I mean, considering the fact that she is hearing different voices, that made it very easy for me to twist his mind. So I made him believe me. She is mentally deranged. He believes that he's mentally ill. Yes, with the pressure that I'm mounting on him right now, nothing is going to change his mind. He would definitely take her to a mental home. Because that's where she belongs.
Serves the little girl right. Next time she will learn to mind her business and stop interfering in adults' business.
You can see that again, honey. You know what? I do not have a problem with her being in this house. As long as she does not disrupt my plans. Pregnancy for sure is a certain guarantee that I'm going to get all I want. But if she thinks I'm going to sit down here and watch a fly mess up everything for me, no, honey. I'm going to crush it and fling it to the wind. Because that's where she belongs. My bad, please, what do I offer you? Because we need to celebrate this. Cold juice.
Auntie, can you give me a little of that? My tummy hurts.
A little of what?
Your food.
The food that I prepared for myself in my husband's house. You know, actually, it's the guts for me. So you expect me to cook and give you to eat? Why don't you go and make your own food in the kitchen if you're hungry?
There is no food stuff, and you didn't give me money to go to the market.
Oh, I see. You know, your uncle actually said that you're not all right upstairs. Yes, at this point, I think I concur with him. You should be in a psychiatric hospital being attended to. You're not seriously all right.
Auntie, so this is what you do. Trying to make my uncle have doubts in me. So he would lose interest in me. Not to trust me again.
I thought you said you were hungry. And here you are bantering words with me, really. Okay, go ahead. You'll continue bantering words with me.
No. Okay, I'm sorry. Please. I'm so hungry. I think it's ulcer. Please.
You think it's ulcer? So tell me, how do you know it's ulcer?
It's biting me.
It's biting you. Then you should be rolling on the floor by now if it's ulcer. Stop looking at me as if I'm one wicked. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna be nice. Can I have it? Eat from the crumbs. Do you have a choice? Then get to work. Start eating. You should be eating like an animal. That's what you are. Looking at me like someone. Making it two for you, you know. Hey, get me a glass cup from the kitchen. Make yourself useful fast.
There is nothing out of the ordinary with her. I have been with her so many times. Is there any reason for your concern?
Well, yes. She claims to hear people's thoughts. I don't know if she has shared that with you.
No. She has never told me something like that. But that explains why I always think about something. And she will speak in that direction immediately. Oh! I used to think she's a face reader and was good at it. Now I understand.
Is that even possible? Do you think this mental illness?
Mental illness?
Yes.
No, sir. Well, I don't have an answer to your question. I suggest you seek psychological help. As you suggested, they may have an answer to your question. But from my observations, sir, nothing is wrong with Angela. She seemed very normal. She behaved normal. She talked like a normal human being. Nothing is wrong with her.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Sarah, for your help. Please, going forward, I would like you to continue watching over her for me. She's too precious for me.
You don't have to say that. She is my best student. In fact, she is my best friend. I enjoy looking out for her. Take care of her for me, okay?
Absolutely, I will. I beg to take my leave now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Please.
Bye-bye.
Just an innocent child who wants to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I had and unveil the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me?
Are you mad? No, are you sick? Is something wrong with you upstairs? Who the hell is your mate here? How dare you mention my name, Auntie what? Auntie Sheila? Do you know the full name of Sheila? When they created Sheila, you wearing bun honey. How dare you? Who the hell do you think you are to call my name? Are you sick? Baby, trust me, I've been giving this millipede, this tiny brat. I've been giving her allowance. I don't know what she's been doing with it. I knew you were going to lie.
Angela,
Look
is
at
that
her.
true? Asam, is that true?
Are you joking right now? No, say a word. What do you want to say? Say it and let me tell you to shreds. Look at her wearing some green white like some cost generation in Nigeria. Are you sick in the head? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? In other words, you're trying to say that I am lying, right?